How to make German cuisine at home. German cuisine is known for its hearty and comforting dishes, often featuring meat, potatoes, and sauerkraut. Here's a recipe for a classic German dish, schnitzel with mushroom sauce. Ingredients: 1. 4 boneless pork chops. 2. 1/2 cup all-purpose flour. 3. 2 eggs, beaten. 4. 1 cup breadcrumbs. 5. Salt and pepper to taste. 6. 1/4 cup vegetable oil. 7. 1/4 cup unsalted butter. 8. 1 onion, chopped. 9. 1 garlic clove, minced. 10. 8 ounces. 10. Sliced mushrooms. 11. 1 cup chicken or beef broth. 12. 1/2 cup heavy cream. 13. 1 tablespoon chopped fresh parsley. Instructions: preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Place the flour, eggs, and breadcrumbs in separate shallow bowls. Season the pork chops with salt and pepper. Dredge each chop in the flour, shaking off any excess. Dip each chop in the egg, letting any excess drip off. Coat each chop in the breadcrumbs, pressing the crumbs to adhere. Heat the oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add the pork chops and cook until golden brown on both sides, about 3 to 4 minutes per side. Transfer the chops to a baking sheet and bake for 15 to 20 minutes, or until cooked through. While the pork chops are baking, make the mushroom sauce. Melt the butter in the same skillet over medium heat. Add the onion and garlic and sauté until softened, about 3 to 4 minutes. Add the mushrooms and sauté until they release their liquid and are tender, about 5 to 7 minutes. Add the broth and bring to a simmer, scraping up any browned bits from the bottom of the skillet. Cook until the liquid has reduced by half, about 10 to 15 minutes. Add the cream and continue to simmer until the sauce thickens, about 5 to 7 minutes. Season with salt and pepper to taste. To serve, spoon the mushroom sauce over the pork chops and sprinkle with chopped parsley. Serve with boiled potatoes and steamed green beans or sauerkraut, if desired. Enjoy your homemade German schnitzel with mushroom sauce. How to make Scandinavian cuisine at home. Scandinavian cuisine is known for its simplicity, freshness, and focus on locally sourced ingredients. Here's a recipe for a classic Scandinavian dish, gravlax, cured salmon. Ingredients: 1. 1 lb. 1. Salmon fillet, skin on. 2. 2 tablespoons coarse sea salt. 3. 1 tablespoon sugar. 4. 1 tablespoon freshly ground black pepper. 5. 1 bunch fresh dill, chopped. 6. 1 tablespoon aquavit or vodka, optional. Instructions: rinse the salmon fillet and pat dry with paper towels. In a small bowl, mix together the sea salt, sugar, and black pepper. Spread a large sheet of plastic wrap on a work surface. Place the salmon fillet, skin side down, on the plastic wrap. Rub the salt mixture all over the salmon, making sure to cover all sides. Sprinkle the chopped dill over the salmon, pressing it into the flesh. Drizzle the aquavit or vodka, if using, over the salmon. Wrap the salmon tightly with the plastic wrap, making sure to seal it completely. Place the wrapped salmon in a dish or baking sheet and weigh it down with a heavy object, such as a can or a brick. Refrigerate the salmon for 24 to 48 hours, turning it occasionally to ensure even curing. Unwrap the salmon and use a sharp knife to slice it thinly at an angle. Serve the gravlax on rye bread with a dollop of mustard dill sauce and some fresh dill sprigs. Enjoy your homemade Scandinavian gravlax. Subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.